Oakland Unity Middle School is a small, safe, and supportive charter middle school located in the heart of Deep East Oakland. We've been serving the community since 2015, and we look forward to welcoming 180 students next year.
We meet students at their level and work to accelerate their growth in reading, math, and social-emotional development. We offer students the opportunity to work on personalized learning platforms so that students who are ready to move ahead can do so, and students who need a little extra support get what they need.
We have a free daily after-school program that offers art, music, technology, cooking, gardening, and sports programs until 6 p.m. daily.
Our sports programs offer student athletes the opportunity to shine on and off the field by competing in soccer, football, and basketball and track.
At the heart of it all, we have an extremely dedicated staff who offer unwavering support and cultivate a nurturing school experience that is enjoyable, engaging, equitable, and empowering.
En el corazón de todo, contamos con un personal extremadamente dedicado que ofrece un apoyo inquebrantable y cultiva una experiencia escolar enriquecedora que es agradable, equitativa y empoderadora.
At OUMS, we truly are a family. Join us and become a Unity Tiger.